We all know that it's a crime to operate a motor vehicle under the influence, and that includes motorcycles. What a lot of people don't realize is that it's also a crime to even ride a bike under the influence. And I'm talking about a regular 10-speed bike, a mountain bike, a non-motorized bicycle. This law is found under California Vehicle Code section 21200.5. And basically, for the prosecutor to prove this crime, they have to show three things. First of all, that you were riding a bicycle, and this can include riding on the handlebars. Secondly, that you were on a public roadway, and that includes a sidewalk. And thirdly, that you were under the influence. And that basically means that you were intoxicated on alcohol and or drugs to the point where you're posing a hazard to your own safety or the safety of others by virtue of being out there riding the bike. Now, the penalty, if you're convicted of cycling under the influence for Vehicle Code 21200.5, is only a $250 fine. There's no jail time. However, it is a misdemeanor. It's a crime. So if you're convicted, it's going to give you a criminal record. If you're asked on a job application, have you been convicted of a crime? This is kind of a silly thing, but it's something you would have to disclose. So to the extent that you've been charged, you want to do everything you can to fight it and keep it off your record. Here at Schaus Law Group, we've represented a number of people over the years who are charged with cycling under the influence, and we've been very successful at getting these charges dismissed. A lot of times we find that the police really had no probable cause to detain you and stop you and do an investigation to begin with. Other times we find that our client may have been drinking, may have been smoking some weed, but really was not intoxicated, was perfectly fine to be riding the bike and was not endangering anybody. So between these methods, we've had a lot of success with these cases. If you're in this situation, we invite you to contact us here at Schaus Law Group. We'll see what we can do to help you.